Hey there! Welcome back to another CounselMore tutorial. Today we're diving deep into the settings menu to make sure you're getting the most out of your CounselMore experience. Ready? Let's jump in. To begin, please locate the settings menu situated at the top right corner of your screen by clicking Account and then Settings. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a list of categories. The first item is Training Menu, followed by Account Setup, which will be our initial focus. Pause the video and navigate to the Account Setup screen. Excellent. Now that you're here, input your business name, address, and additional details. This information will appear on invoices and other official correspondence. If you prefer not to disclose your address, leave that field empty. On the right-hand side, you'll find fields for your business cell phone, landline, and email address. Pause the video and complete these fields. Below those fields, you'll find an option to copy your business email on all outgoing correspondence from your CounselMore account. This is a handy way to keep receipts of all emails sent from CounselMore. Additionally, you can opt to receive email notifications for completed assignments. Pause the video and make your selections. Moving on to branding, you'll have the option to upload your logo. Ensure that the logo is square-shaped, either 300-300 or 500-500 pixels, to maintain its integrity across various platforms. If you encounter any difficulties, utilize the Help button at the top of the screen to contact support. Pause the video and upload your logo or email it to support@counselmore.com. Next, scroll down and locate the arrow next to Student and Parent Portal Invitations. Click it to reveal the section that allows you to customize the portal invitations sent to parents and students. Pause the video and customize your invitations or return later to complete these fields. Further down, you'll find Client Portal Search Access. Here you can enable or disable the search functionality for individual students and parents, as well as set the default to on or off for all new clients. Moving up a few rows, you'll find List Balance labels. In the Net, Fit, Reach Lottery section, you can customize the terminology used for admissions probability evaluations. The default settings are already in place. Feel free to modify them as you see fit. Pause the video and make your selections. The next banner is the Tab Preferences section, which allows you to customize the visibility and order of the tabs, and if you'd like the icons to be seen. Most consultants prefer to prioritize the Assignments tab, followed by College List Building, Messages and Files, then Accounting. Pause the video and arrange the tabs according to your preference. One of our most popular features is the Client Portal menu, a repository of resources that you can customize for your students and for yourself. For a detailed guide on setting up your Client Portal menu, consult the CounselMore Knowledge Base, where you will find a long list of resources collected by our community to be shared with you. Pause the video, consult the Knowledge Base, and set up your custom menu. We will now look at bringing your historical client information over to your new CounselMore account with Historical Client Import. At the bottom of this same section, you'll find Historical Client Import. Click on Knowledge Base for detailed instructions on how to import your data. This article contains a blue box with a link to more detailed instructions on importing your data and even provides ready-made spreadsheet templates you can use. Great work! In the next video, we'll look at your Google Drive settings. See you there!